Morning, welcome back to the channel. Internet Computer Protocol, ICP. Yo, you know me, ICP. So I did a video on how to stake. It's kind of a quick video. I'll try and get into a longer one that explains all of the features of the NNS. And there's a lot of questions that people are asking is, how much ICP should I have or should I stake? And a good rule of thumb that I use when it comes to investing, just in general, is don't invest 50% more than what you're willing to lose. And you can apply this to staking ICP as well, because you're technically locking up this cash liquidity for 8 years if you want the maximum government rewards. So you have to consider that money locked up indefinitely, so you can do that. Now, I bird bought. Man, first coffee. It's coming. So I bought enough ICP to earn 1 ICP per day in governance reward tokens. So at the end of 1 year, and the price is at 100, that's 36,500 in return on investment that I can cash out on, because you can dissolve your maturity while your principal is locked up. And the funny thing is about the principal is you never pay taxes on your principal. Unless you sell it. And you never have to pay taxes on your maturity, because that's realized or unrealized capital gains. But I'm not a tax guy, so don't take my word on it. It changes from every state, province, and country. Not too worried about that, but just saying that put enough money in to accumulate enough ICP, so at the end of the year, when the price hits 100, you basically have a minimum wage income salary for the year paid out, and then you budget your life accordingly. Now, I think I'm up and over something close to, I can't remember now, 5,000 ICP. It's definitely 5,000 ICP or less staked up for 8 years. That gives me 1 ICP a day in maturity. So it's whatever your budget can do. You know, I've been investing in it for 2 years. Well, I locked all that up in about a year. And I'm still buying $5 a day every day for 5 years. Because the theory on buying ICP now under $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 every single day, $5 worth every single day, the compound interest and market value and scale of the revolutionary technology with the AI narrative is going to explode exponentially. So that's just a little ditty about how much ICP you should invest. As much as you can afford, and however much you can afford to lock up for 8 years. You got to play the long game on this. You have to do it to maximize your return on investment. You have to do it. Trust me, time's going to go by either way. Make sure you're working a job. Make sure you have a second job, or whatever you want to do. I mean, you know, you got to make money to invest. Make money to spend money. Well, you're not spending it, you're making it and you're investing. So you become an investor. And that's a great Great thing to do. I'm gonna put another video out here shortly. Stay groovy.